Hi there, my name is Trish Lynch and I'm here in Windsor in the United Kingdom talking to Steve Deaville from Pitney Bowes Software. Steve is UK Managing Director and Regional Director, Northern Europe. Steve, good to have you with us. Now Steve, we're here today to talk about big data and customer relationships, but let's talk about big data first. What exactly is it?
Organisations have been using data to make business decisions for many years, but I think we've reached an inflection point now where organisations have got so much information available to them. The traditional methods that they use for managing, manipulating and trying to understand that data are now longer working. Big data is all about how can we exploit this massive data that's now available to us all.
So Steve, why has it grown so rapidly, so quickly?
Well, again, I think because IT has now become pervasive in everything that we do, it's much easier now for organisations to collect so many different types of information. The challenge, as always, is what do you do with that information once you've collected it?
So what sort of opportunities has this massive growth created?
Well, it creates so many opportunities. It's very difficult to know where to start. Clearly, for organisations that are customer-centric, the first port of call will be to try and get insight and a better understanding of your customers. Try and understand their buying habits, what's the right message that you should be presenting to them, how can you make sure that that customer's interaction with you becomes a good experience.
What type of technologies and services would benefit from this?
Pretty much any service or technology will benefit, but again I think we're seeing the biggest interest where organisations are trying to get an understanding of their customer base, how they're trying to build a picture of their customer so that they can make better decisions about how they interact with that customer, what are the right things they should be saying, when, and what's the right channel within which they should be communicating with those customers.
Now we talk about improving customer experiences and the customer relationships. Tell us a bit about that. What does that mean?
Well, for me it's quite simple. It's all about getting insight into your customers, truly understanding them so that you can make sure that any interaction that you have with them is a positive experience and that you're making the most of the opportunities that are available to you.
Now what about success stories? Do you have any success stories that you can share with us today?
Yes, we've got a number across many different verticals. One example would be a utility company where we've helped their service teams move to 98% first-time fix when customers are calling in with service complaints. Another example would be a financial institution where we've managed to increase their new business rate by over 200% by making sure that their service representatives have a good picture of the person they're speaking to and are offered intelligent suggestions on new products and services that they should be offering them.
And what about the vertical markets? What kind of opportunities lie there?
Well, again, pretty much any vertical market you look at, there are opportunities, whether it's in the retail sector, retail banking, telecommunications, utilities, pretty much any vertical or any organisation that truly cares about customer and customer service really needs to look and embrace big data and understand the benefits it can bring to bring insights into their customers.
Okay, Steve, if I was to ask you to summarise in one key statement what we've just said here today, what would you say?
Big data is here to stay. Organisations that embrace big data to truly understand their customer base, to truly understand how they can improve customer experience and customer relationships will be the organisations that are most successful in the years to come. Pitney Bowes Software is in a unique position to support organisations make the most of the opportunities that are presented by big data.
Steve Deaville, thank you very much.
Thank you very much.